This is swish.
Lovely size.
Yeah. This is like more than enough space.
Yeah.
Utility room, and look at all of these features and the age of this place. That's 1700s, that
I love
is.
that.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Oh, wow.
This is huge. Look at it.
This kitchen's a bit of me.
This is nice. This is nice.
The BBC is interrupting its normal programming to bring you an important announcement. Earlier today, we reported that the King's health had deteriorated rapidly and was being treated at Balmoral Castle in Aberdeenshire. A few moments ago, Buckingham Palace has announced that His Majesty King Charles III has passed away this afternoon. In a statement, the palace said, "The King died peacefully at Balmoral this afternoon. The King Consort will remain at Balmoral this evening and will return to London tomorrow." The BBC will now air this special programme reporting the death of His Majesty the King. So let's take the time and reflect on the news. This is BBC News from London. A few moments ago, Buckingham Palace has announced the death of His Majesty King Charles III. To recap on the statement, the King died peacefully at Balmoral this afternoon. The King Consort will remain at Balmoral this evening and will return to London tomorrow. We've merged all BBC channels to bring you BBC News reporting the death of His Majesty, the King.